The big holiday of love is fast approaching, and what says love better than chocolate? Now, if you know someone who's just gaga for the stuff, I've got an After Dark suggestion that could carry you and your sweetie to cocoa heaven. It's a cozy spot in Asheville, and they call it the Chocolate Lounge. If you crave love, gotta have chocolate, you've gotta be in this place. At the French Broad Chocolate Lounge in Asheville, you'll find deliciously crafted chocolate and a relaxing space to savor its pleasures.
It is just a fun, cozy, eclectic place to come. The chocolate is wonderful, the atmosphere is wonderful, there's always great music, there's always just fun people to meet and talk to. The staff is great, everybody here is so friendly. It's just a wonderful place to be, for sure.
The real wonder is how chocolate is completely exploited in every form and flavor. And what really makes the menu stand out is the conscientious approach of the owners, husband and wife Dan and J.L. Radigan, who started their love affair with chocolate in Costa Rica.
In Costa Rica, we learned about the botany of chocolate. We even bought a little cocoa bean farm. And when we came back, we decided to focus our efforts on making high-end chocolates. We take other people's fine chocolates and we melt them down. We infuse flavors in them like roses or cardamom, what have you. And we dip confections, we dip cookies, we add that chocolate into pastry.
And the result is pure heaven, because from confection to pastry, quality of ingredients is paramount.
Our food philosophy dictates that we really try to work closely with our ingredients and select the best ingredients that we can get.
That means working with certified organic ingredients and local farmers. So desserts like this moist carrot cake with cream cheese frosting taste as good as they look. The Chocolate Lounge bakers are talented and imaginative, so your birthday cake could be this lime cake iced with Thai ganache infused with lemongrass, ginger, and green chilies, covered in toasted coconut and garnished with ribbons of white chocolate. And you'll find these light, crisp French macarons sandwiching gooey Swiss buttercream. For that special gift, create your own assortment of truffles and caramels. Here's how ours looked.
We've got our white jasmine chocolate, which is white chocolate infused with jasmine green tea and covered in dark chocolate. Our fresh raspberry, which features local raspberries. Our dark chocolate salted honey caramel is probably our most popular confection. The fig and port truffle is made with local figs and port wine, and it's rolled in toasted almonds. The eggnog is white chocolate in fresh grated nutmeg. And our Indian Kulfi truffle is a very unique chocolate made with milk chocolate from Hawaii and an infusion of rose petals, cardamom pods, and toasted pistachio.
A must-try is their signature sipping chocolates.
I got the one called Chocolatao, and it's not sweet, it's bitter. It has a really interesting blend of spices and kind of hot, like spicy hot, like in the back of my throat. But it's excellent. It's just what I want. A lot of strong chocolate flavor and not too sweet.
For me, Dan prepared a special liquid truffle, 65% cacao dark chocolate, melted and warmed with cream, cayenne, and cinnamon, and a dose of local-made cosmic love potion featuring aphrodisiac herbs like damiana and rosebuds.
Oh God, no wonder they call that a liquid truffle. It's thick, it's delicious, sweet, rich. And as for the aphrodisiac qualities, well, just gonna have to see, aren't we?
If you're not sipping chocolate, Dan can help you pair your confection with a good wine or beer from their bar menu. And for those in a more savory mood, there's even an artisan cheese tray served with Dan's house-made olive oil crackers. From bitter to sweet, there's something here for everyone who enjoys chocolate. For North Carolina Weekend in Asheville After Dark, I'm Deborah Holt Noel. The Chocolate Lounge in Asheville is located at 10 South Lexington, and they're open daily from 11 a.m. to 11 p.m. And on Fridays and Saturdays, they're open till midnight. For information about their live music schedule, give them a call at 828-252-4600. 4181 or visit them online at FrenchBroadChocolates.com and click on French Broad Chocolate Lounge.
Podcasts on unctv.org are made possible through the financial contributions of viewers like you, who invite you to join them in supporting UNC TV.